Follow these steps on how to properly download and install the latest network driver for your Dell system. If the computer in need of a driver update is unable to connect to the internet, then a second system with internet connection is going to be necessary. In this case, you will have to download the driver file to the second system, copy it to a USB flash drive, and then transfer it to the computer that needs the driver. Check to make sure the USB flash drive has enough free space and that the network connection is stable. If the computer which needs the driver update can maintain an internet connection, then you don't need a second system or USB flash drive. Just download and install the driver directly to the computer. To get the download, go to dell.com/support. Click the info card to see the recommended link to access. Enter the service tag for the computer that needs the new network driver. Be sure to identify the proper computer. Next, click on Drivers and Downloads. Expand Access the complete list of drivers and downloads for your system, and set your operating system accordingly. For the category field, select Network, Ethernet, and Wireless. If you are going to transfer the file to another computer, this is the time to insert your USB flash drive. From the list of drivers populated below, click Download for the Wi-Fi driver. After the downloading is complete, go into your Downloads folder and select the file you've just downloaded. If you are using the second system method, copy the file to the flash drive, then afterwards, safely remove it from the system and insert it into the other computer where the driver file needs to be installed. Open the folder containing the downloaded driver. Next, either in the Downloads folder or on the USB drive, click on it to run it. Accept the changes, click Install, and follow the instructions. Once the installation is successful, click Finish, then Close. Depending on your system, a restart may be necessary to complete the process. Whenever you need help or have any questions, you can always reach out to us through social media for assistance. There's also the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others are chatting about. Subscribe to our channel today to get access to all of our support tutorials and be notified when we post future content. Thanks for watching.